And if you didn't know this, then my dear, you're not as bright as I thought you were.
One man love is so bitter, you know.
Bitter, that's what you call it. Well, quite frankly, name calling doesn't really bother me, so you should know this though. You see, I have a vision and a mission.
I'm sure you do. Your mission is to mash up the agency. And your vision is to sit in a chair created by somebody else's hard work.
Close. You see, my mission is to mash down the agency, or what the agency represents, rather, at the moment, and become its new savior and usher in a new policing era.
You have a serious God complex, you know, Jonathan.
Well, I guess I learned something from your boss, Daddy. How to be a god.
You know, I'm not gonna allow you to destroy what we work so hard for Bill.
Allow me? Angela Brissett, are you delusional? You have no power in this situation. You have one foot in and one foot out. I literally have your professional career in my hands.
You have nothing for me in your hands. Me control my destiny. Know that.
You want to test the practicality of that ridiculous theory?
You really are push it, you know.
Well, let me push it a little further. Consider yourself basically under house arrest. You can go to the supermarket and visit your little friend there, but none of the place them where you have your little dance class them, you see? Because if you do, you'll be doing pole dance from prison.
Hold on, Jonathan. Let me get this straight. You are restricting my movements as well?
Bright girl. But at least I'm not take them away from you completely.
Yo. I can't wait to see Mr. Mullins step through that door there.
Well, I can tell you one thing. He won't have a job when he comes back.
What?
The board is giving him 1 week to surface. And if he doesn't, then I will be the head cook and bottle washer.
Okay, Jonathan. You won. You're in the office, sitting in the chair, making decisions, the whole works. But you say he has 1 week, right? If I were you, I wouldn't start celebrating just yet.
Oh, Angie. You know, I've always been curious about this blind devotion to Mullins. You sure it's a father-daughter admiration or something deeper? I hear some like young girls. Is this the moment where you throw your entire career away?
Ambitious Jonathan Major. I believe ambition should be made of sturdy stuff.
Mark Antony, Julius Caesar. I believe ambition should be made of sterner stuff.